Turn on E9. Insert two decoders into the two axle holes. Install automobile key clamp number 1 clamp on E9. Press Setup button and enter Setup page. Press first Next button. Press Start button to calibrate the distance. Fix the calibration block. Click the image in the screen to calibrate decoder side. Click the image in the screen to calibrate cutter side. Press the left button of number 2 clamp to calibrate the decoder side. Back to the main screen, then press Setup button. Press Decoder button and select Automotive key clamp to calibrate decoder length. Replace the right decoder to a cutter. Press Cutter button to unselect Automotive key clamp to calibrate cutter length. Press Close button and back to the main screen. Press Copy button. Press Double Standard button. The original double standard key can work well. Press double-sided AB button according to key type. Press High Resolution button. Fix the original key on number 1 clamp. Please use this stopper to guide the position. Please note the key should be fixed horizontally. Click the image of number 1 clamp to start decoding. Take away the original dimple key and fix a new key blank. Please use this stopper to guide the position. Press Cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works.